break the ice Lord kane to start a conversation break the ice Lord kane mutogi rach rayaran break the ice to start a conversation mutog karan eat the sack eat the sack go to bed or go to sleep Lord kane watoyne micha you gonna eat the sack you go to bed watoyne piece of cake very easy micha we piece of cake Lord kane mi tiak elong mi tiak ba chole piece of cake you know piece of cake Lord kane mi tiak let the cat out of the bag let the cat out of the bag reveal a secret la milari micha to jen cho let the cat out of the bag reveal a secret milar micha ta shibtanyrar ba chole let the cat out of the bag ke you reveal a secret lar riet micha ta ke micha ta under the weather feeling sick under the weather Lord kanu mid point du jegro lo duala ji ke tijui under the weather feeling sick miti ke jui ke jegro no ti ke jui once in a blue moon very rarely once in a blue moon Lord kanu jen take a dakatang one ke chamala nen ke very rarely lo dak Lord no dak once in a blue moon very rarely ke dak and obamal nen bite the bullet face a difficult situation bravely jen Lord ke bite the bullet lamiti karit mitikeji wa birum kaje ataldwal birum kaje ka bom jen chal ke face a difficult situation bravely mulona bite the bullet cause an arm and leg very expensive neme Lord kanu take kung midid very expensive mulono cause an arm and leg very expensive ke tokodadien call it a day stop working for a day micha call it a day would blat shangama bi pal shibla de shangama stop working for the day shibla ke jen shangama jen chala call it a day stop working for a day blat kapchong ke jen shang kelamone cut corners do something quickly cheaply and often badly micha cut the corner wala na duar kapet deni atiak no tangwani ejek ajan Lord ke cut the corner do something quickly cheaply often badly melodi ka duo medong chajen ke ledi ka pedalong burn the midnight oil Lord kanu work late at night burn the midnight oil work late at night Lord kanu leni ka wer melodi ka wer ke ci jan let ka wer jen chale burn the midnight oil idiom ne Madadian, sit on the fence mean not take side. Sit on the fence, Lord kano shoot take a quick michumutin. Not take side. Lord no be neutral. Sit on the fence, not take side. Shoot take a quick michumutin. The ball is in your court. It is your decision now. Misha yugun no nena. The ball is in your court, Lord kano Ajin be laron tama and wonan it is your decision now ajin be la do badana banaw kaje decision miladi mi tika lwangtin ke tika power tin no bna jugo no wianena the ball is in your court it is your decision now ajin lo da monwo tika lwang ka do badana na kaje ke be lar spill the beans give away a secret give away a secret lorno beta be larar give away a secret gently spill the bean back to the drawing board mean start over back to the drawing board lorno toga enyok start over gently no keep your finger crossed Hope for good luck. Hope for good luck. Ngas kamagwa. Mabijak. Yenchal keep your finger crossed. Hope for good luck. Malaran jugano. Any bitaka bang chere mi ramangad bang. Mite bang to bengaja. Hope for good luck. Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. Be exactly right. Be exactly right. Awa nire ki lara law jalla toga manan chilar. Jalla toga men chilar. Be exactly right. Hit the nail on the head. Be exactly right. Men chilar ala talk. By the skin of your teeth. By the skin of your teeth. Just barely succeed. Just barely succeed. Guadame aramimo. Chede fail. Kawana jenwo dere we dere succeed. Ke dere mugwa dere jek. No. Ajenot kamo. By the skin of your teeth. Just barely succeed. Guaya mini guarping guadamo. Gujede.